Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best appliance cord organizers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Command Cord Bundlers. Damage-free hanging organizer, no tools bundler for electrical cables, 6 gray bundlers, and 12 strips. LLDs up to 2 poundies. One package of the Command Gray cord bundlers includes 6 cord bundlers and 12 medium command strips. One adhesive cord bundler can hold up to 2 pounds. Damage-free hand jing. Wall cord hider works without leaving holes, marks, or sticky residue on a variety of surfaces and removes cleanly when you want to reorganize your electrical cables and lightning cables without tools. Works on a variety of smooth surfaces. Each Command Cord Bundler works on a variety of smooth surfaces, including painted walls, finished wood, painted concrete cinder blocks, laminate, glass, metal, and tiles. Surface PRP. Clean with rubbing alcohol to remove grime and dust to allow the cord organizers to bond to the surface. The indoor temperature must be between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. 6-pack upgraded kitchen appliance cord winder. Cord organizer for appliances. Heat resistance cord wrapper and cord holder for appliances. Appliance cord organizer stick-on mixer, toaster, air fryer. UPGRIDED power cord organizer. Ki kitchen appliance cord wrapper is made of softer flexible rubber material, while the adhesive base area is larger than other ordinary appliance cord winder, which can perfectly fit the curved surface of the appliance, while the adhesion is stronger. Heat resistant Ki cord organizer for kitchen appliances use a heat-resistant strong adhesive that sticks to most surfaces without fall off, including heated appliances such as toasters, pressure cookers, etc. Easy to install. The sticky cover of the cord keeper for appliances adopts an easy-to-peel design, and you can easily solve the trouble of wire mess in just a few simple steps. Number 3. Miracle 24-piece silicone cable straps wire organizer for Earphone. Phone charger, mouse, audio, computer, reusable cable ties cord organizer in home, office, kitchen, school, 4 colors. Silicone material and emulity function. Our ties are made of high-quality silicone, which brings us elasticity, wear resistance, easy to clean surface, and ability of reusing. These excellent characteristics make our ties widely used. In addition to organized cables, they can also be used to seal pocket snacks, tie the umbrellas without straps, and even secure your hangers in the strong wind. TLGH Heat Fuel DSIJN. Our cable strap with a round hole design not only can put all kinds of thick and thin wires, convenient storage, but also can hang up the tied wire to save space. Moreover, the design of buckle makes our cable straps easier to open and close quickly, and they don't come off easily. Number 2. Cord organizer for kitchen appliances, organization storage gadgets, cable organizer, cord keeper for blender mixer, coffee maker, toaster, rice cooker, air fryer, hair dryer. 6 pieces, black and gray. Kitchen essentials for new home. SMQMAW wire organizer keeps all your kitchen equipment wiring in order, so your life is no longer cluttered. Cord organizer. Cord wrappers for kitchen appliances made of food-grade silicone material. Appliance cord organizer stick-on. Made of 3M genuine non-marking adhesive that can withstand 30 pounds of vertical upward pull. Cord organizer for kitchen appliances. Can be used in the kitchen, desk, bedroom, wall, etc. is an essential accessory and tool in life. Number 1. MROB 60 PCS Fastening Cable Ties Reusable. Premium 6-inch adjustable cord ties, microfiber cloth cable management straps, hook loop cord organizer wire ties reusable, assorted colors. Reusable and durable. Cable ties made from high-quality microfiber cloth with hook and loop. They are elastic, durable, and reusable. No peeling off. Unlike many cheap cable straps on the market, the hook easily peel apart from the fabric under stress, Hemrope adopt the advanced technology totally free of this problem. Simple to use. It is much better organizing cables than plastic cable ties, and you don't need to trim it. The cable wrap opens and closes easily and quickly. Details. Each pack has 60 PCS inside, black 20 pieces / 10 piece of each blue, yellow, green, red size. 6 inch x 0.47 inch, 150 x 12 millimeters.